OnePlus has finally confirmed the launch date for the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro. The Chinese tech brand will unveil the new Ace series smartphone on June 27 in China. OnePlus also shared the 3 official colors for the device: porcelain white, green field, and titanium sky. Will be the first smartphone equipped with the latest Glacier battery technology. This innovative 6100 mAh battery charging speed will be 100 W, and it will be able to fill the tank in around 30 minutes. And this is OnePlus Ace 3 Pro first look. According to reports, the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro will have a 6.78-inch OLED panel that offers a 1.5K resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, up to 500 nits of maximum brightness, and an in-screen fingerprint scanner. It will have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, up to 24GB of LPDDR5X RAM, 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. The device will run on Android 14, based on ColorOS 14.1. On the front, it will have a 16-megapixel selfie camera, and its back panel will feature a 50-megapixel, 8-megapixel, ultra-wide, 2-megapixel, macro, triple camera unit. The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro is expected to have a starting price of 3,000 renminbi, around 35,300 rupees. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.